In our last session, we have discussed about one second. We already discussed about the continue statement, or you can say continue keyword, and the break keyword. We discussed how it works, what is the difference between continue and the break, where we can use continue and break. And after this, we just discuss about user defined function. What are the user defined function? How we call our firstly we have to define the function, then after we have, hello, yeah, then we have to call our function, then only the code within the function will be executed. After that we just discuss the different type of user defined function, means the no with no argument, with one argument, with multiple arguments, means two arguments. You can use multiple argument, three, four, five, as per your requirement. After that we have discussed about the default argumental user defined function. Okay, you remember na? Yeah, in the last session, and in the end of our session we discussed about return type with our user defined function, how we use the return keyword with our functions. After that we discuss about some predefined, what is the predefined function. Predefined function are the function which is provided by the php for our use. Okay, every predefined, there is so many predefined function. Every predefined function, there is specific process for, and it is the predefined process. What will be the execution take place when we use the predefined function is depends on that function only. Okay. Okay, we just uh, did we saw the sort function or not? Okay, now we just start with the sort function. What is the sort function and what is the requirement of the sort function? Okay, yes. I just create a array type of variable. Kushi, what is the array type of variable? Okay, actually, let me revise that. Array type of variable is the variable which can hold multiple values. Means if we declare any simple variable, means dollar I equals to 10. This is the simple variable. It can hold only a single value. It can be 10, it can be 100, it can be 1000, whatever the value, but it can hold only a single value. If we assign another value into this dollar I, if we assign 2000, it will override the value, not assign two values at a one time. You got the point? Let me show you. Yeah, it will override the 1000. Means, let me show you on browser. If I echo this, the output will be 1000 because of this echo, and the value is going to print this value is going to print. If now, after this statement, if I use dollar I, it will be not 1000 and 2000. It will overwrite 1000 with 2000 means single value. It will print only a single value, the overwritten value 2000. This 1000 is printing because of this echo. This echo. Okay, only 2000 is going to print. Means first we initialize this 1000, so our value of I dollar I is 1000. Secondly, we initialize this 2000, means we overwrite our value, our variable with 2000 new value, with new value. We overwrite our variable with new value. Okay, so it means the main concept of showing the example is our simple user defined variables cannot hold multiple values in single time. Okay, I cannot hold 1000 and 2000 in the single time. It can be 1000 or it can be 2000. Okay, Khushi? Yes. But in the case of arrays, in the case of arrays, a single variable. This is a also a user defined variable, but this is a array type of variable. In this case, array can hold array variable can hold multiple values. Means 10 is a different value, 20 is a different value, 30 is a different value. It can hold multiple values in one variable. You got the difference between array variable and a simple our dollar I variable. You got the difference between the dollar I and dollar ARR. Khushi, yeah, is yeah, yeah, great. So just we create a indexed array, means this array is by default created. Just let me print this array. Print underscore r is also a predefined function. I have told you before in last session. Dollar $arr is print underscore r used to print the value of array type variable. Dollar $arr is our array type of variable, so we have to use print underscore r. Okay, now we are printing our variable. This is index. Okay, by default created index and it starts with 0. This is the index, means this is the position, you can say position. In the 0th position, what is the value? 10. In the first position, what is the value? 20. In the second position, what is the value? 30, and so on. This is what is this? This is just, we can say, the position index of our value. Okay, okay. Now we use our predefined function sort, sort. This is the syntax of our sort function. Within the sort function, what we just pass a array type variable. Array type variable means we have the dollar $arr is our array type variable. Within the these brackets, we have to pass a array type of variable. Now what the sort does? Sort just sort our element in the ascending order. This is already in ascending order. Let me just destroy that order. Now our array is not in ascending order. Okay, what is our array right now? One second. just I destroy the order. Means 80 is the biggest value in come first. This is not in order, any order. Okay, this is our array, our declared array. If we use the sort now, after this, if we print our array, I just copy and the paste print r. Before that, just echo the break line. Break line for just the proper display, nothing else. Okay. Now, what will be the output? Can you guess, Khushi? In short, just what the sort does, sort just us, just convert our order in ascending order. Convert our variables values order. This order is not any order, not in descending order, not in ascending order. Sort function just convert this order in ascending order, means smallest value comes first, then the second smallest, then the third smallest. Okay, so just we use this sort function here with our array type of variable, yeah, or we can say for our array type of variables, and now we are printing our array type of variable. What will be the output in the second line? Yeah, it's in ascending order. In order means in zeroth position, you can say the position or index. In zeroth index there is 30, a smallest value. Okay, in our previous array, in previous we have, one second, if we don't write this break, our output will just a messy output. We can't understand where is what is the output. Just for a proper display, break the line. In output will be in next line. Okay. uh, Kushi, tell me, did you understand about the sort function? You got the working of sort function or not? Okay, we can move ahead. And yeah, we have to pass our array type of variable in short predefined function. Okay, same as we have another predefined function called ar short. Sorry, r short. R sort. What it does, it just same as sort, but it just set our array in descending order. Sort in ascending order, r sort in descending order. Nothing different. Just reverse of our sort function. Let me pass our $arr into this, and I'm going to print our array now. Print underscore r is for array type of variable printing. Now there is a there is going to third line also with a descending order, means largest value comes in first position, means in zeroth index or zeroth position. Yeah. Okay, we got the working of short and the r short. Yeah, is for descending, ascending. There is more function and more predefined function, means there is a, you can say, hundreds of thousands of functions, but we are not going to discuss all the functions. Whenever we need, we will discuss at that time. Okay, means if you see this sorting of array, there is sort, there is sort, we already discussed ascending order. R sort, array in descending order. A short associative array in ascending order according to values. What is the associative array, Khushi? What is the associative array? Yeah, we discussed on Saturday the indexed array. The simple array is called the indexed array, and the second kind of array means associative array. What the difference between indexed array and associative array? Okay, I'll just revise that. In the associative array, you this this is the index. In the default index array, there is a zero. We already see that zero, one. Here is one. Here is a two. But in the associative array, we can define our key, our index manually. We can write anything. Means if we write Peter, means their index already automatically create a Peter with this value 35. So let me just code for a set associative array. I just copied a indexed array. Save some. If I use first and after this second, this is, you can write anything here. Not is necessary first and after the second. So this is our associative array, means this is the key and value combination. This is the index and value combination. This is a key. Key means a user defined key. Okay, Khushi, are you getting my point or not? Sorry, let me just print this array on our browser. Just, yeah, this is our indexed array, means the key, means here is a, by default it generates 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But here we explicitly define a key or index. It's called first index. On the first index, what is the value is 80. On the second index, what is the value is 60. This is this is the user defined. You can use any name, you can use any other thing, anything you can use, any number also, you can use any number also, but it is user defined. Whenever you decide that you have to assign a key, then this variable is called the associative array. Okay, we already discussed about this in the Saturday session. You can see the video also. We have the video link now. That's Yeah, you can write. Yeah, you can write any name. You can write. Yeah, it will be the print. Sorry, I didn't get your question. Yeah, for the proper display, yeah, we have to use the break the line here. This is not a just not a part of coding. Means this is just I'm using for proper display. It doesn't affect any array or sort function. It just used just for proper display, nothing else. Yeah. Okay. You can use anything, any number, any string, and you can assign a value into that. This is called a associative array, and this is the simple indexed array. Okay. Okay. We are moving further. We saw the sort, we saw the R sort means array in descending order. If we use A sort means sort our associative array in ascending order according to the values. Values is the 30, 40, 60, 70. Okay, our associative array. If we have associative array, then we have to use A short. K short, K short it sorts the associative array in ascending order according to key. Key means whatever we assign. Yeah, this is the key. This is the key. So if we use K short, K short, this function, so it will sort our array in ascending order, but according to key means g, it is the ascending order because g keyword come first compared to s keyword in our alphabet. A b c d, g come first and s after the g. Okay, this is in ascending order. As that, if we see in compared to keys, these are the keys. We can ascending or descending order our array, our associative array according to keys also. Okay. AR short just associative array in descending order means the reverse of this function according to values, just reverse in descending order. KR short associative array in descending order according to keys. Okay. In the after this, um, just using one other important user defined function. The first we just saw the explode, how the explode works. Okay. Let me just comment on this. Okay, I just take a string type variable. I just create or define a string type variable and assign a value. This is the value. This space is space, the space and string. This is our string type value. Okay, we are assigning to in this value, in this variable dollar $str. This user defined variable. You can anything name. You can take any name. Okay, I just take str. Is that clear, na? A string type variable. It is just a user defined. You can use anything, and you can use var one means the variable one. This is a variable one, and I assigned it this value. We don't have to use $str all the time. We can use any name. User defined means you can use any name. Predefined means you can't change the name. Okay, yeah. Tell me, user defined means. Hello, Khushi. Hello. Sorry for this interruption. Yeah, I just disconnected. Okay. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between user defined and the predefined? Khushi, predefined. Tell me the difference between user defined and the predefined. There is a user defined variables. There is a user defined function. There is a predefined keywords and predefined functions. What is the difference between user defined and the predefined? Okay, let me clear once again. In the user defined can be any variable, है ना? Can be any function. In the user defined, you can use any name, any string, any alphabet, any name, a first name, last name, wala, name, yeah, any name of variable. In the user defined, you can use any name of your variable or your function. But in the predefined, the name of predefined keywords and the function, you can't change the name. Are you getting my point? So in the user defined, you can use, let's see, this is echo. Echo is a echo is a predefined keyword. You, if you want to print any value or any string, you use echo. Okay, just semicolon end of this. If you want to print this space is okay, so you use this. Let me show you on the browser. There is a syntax. One second. Semicolon end of the string. Yeah, this is one second. Let me comment this. I will explain the explode function. This is echo. Echo is used to just display anything, display any variable, or directly display any string. Okay, we just echoing what is echoing. This is so this the echo is the predefined keyword. We can't change the name of echo. Means we can't use this. It will give us error. Let me show you on browser. It will what give a syntax error unexpected. This means there is a syntax error. The our PHP code is not a right code because we don't use the echo correctly. This is the predefined. Okay, but whenever we use the dollar, any dollar symbol, it means if we are creating any variable or any user defined function, you can use any name. Any name means if you are using var1 or only var, if you are using var and you are echoing var, echo dollar var, this is a variable which is we create it, our created variable, and we assign the value into this variable, and we are equaling. Let us show on browser. This is because of the first echo, and this is because of the second echo. Let me comment the first one. So our dollar var is printing now, means our variable, this is our user defined variable. You can use any other name. If you want to use var1, you can use it, but you have to print. If you want to print, then you have to same as here. Okay, anything you can write. Our your user defined variable, you can write anything. Let me show you on browser. Yeah, same output, no error, nothing. You got the point. User defined or predefined. Okay, yes, it means predefined. We can't change the spelling of predefined keywords or the function, but in the case of the user defined, yeah, we can use any spelling, any character, any name, anything. Okay, Khushi. Yeah. Let's move ahead. We are discussing about the explode function. What is the explode function? What is the process of this function? Let me code. I'll explain you. We just created a variable, a string type variable. Name it is $var1. Okay, this is our user defined variable, and we assign a string into this variable. This string, this space is space, the space and the string. Now in the explode is predefined function. Okay, with two arguments, means it takes two arguments means in the within the brackets we have to pass two things. First argument is usually takes the divider means the explode function divides the string into a array variable, means it returns the array type of variable from our string type of variable, and it divide from this divider. Okay, let me complete shown the browser. I'll explain, then only you can get the point. Okay, yeah, I'm just passing our string type variable here, and this I'm passing space. You can see space, this is space. You are able to see that, no? The space. Okay. So, sorry. Here, where you are saying, here or in which line? Here. No, no, this is a function, predefined function. This is not a variable. Explode is a function. We don't have to write anything before the explode. We don't have to write explode before anything, before explode. Okay, explode is a predefined function, and it takes two arguments, a divider and the string type of variable. We just create the string type of variable var1, and we assign this string. So explode, what the explode did, just the divide our string into the array type of variable. It returns a array type of variable and divide with this, whatever we pass, divide with that. We are passing a space, means our it will divide this string type of variable into the four parts, means there is one space, second space, three space, means the first part, the second part, the third part, and the fourth part. It will divide our string. You got the point? Okay, let me show you on browser. It will be more clear on the browser. Just passing the str1. And for proper display, just for a proper display, nothing else, I'm giving a BR tag. BR means it breaks the line, it control to the next line. First, command it show the same output. after we use the explode function, what will be the $str? $str will be a array type of variable. So this is in the this value on the zeroth index. You got the process? Khushi? One second. This str1, we just use a str1, but it returns a value. Explode function always return a array type of value, and we are assigning that value into a $str. And what the explode returns a array type of value. This value means explode just divide the string value. This is the string value. Okay, it divide into a array with a divider. We use the divider space, means we use space as a divider of our string. Means it is this portion of our string is the zeroth position on the array value. After this portion of our string on the first position, first index, on the first index, zeroth index, first index, this is on the second index, and this is on the third index. Is that clear? If we just delete the space of BAR1, this is the string, just we delete the space. What will the can you guess? We just delete this space between this and is. We delete this space. What will be the output? In the first, there is no space, and in the second, in output, means in the second line, there is the on in zeroth position. Sorry, sorry. Okay. One second. One second. Yeah, hello Khushi. Yeah, now it's clear. Okay, okay. So I'm explaining the explode function. If I use space here, then the our created array variable is with the four values, means zeroth position this, first position is, second position the, and the third position is string. There is a four values. If I remove the space, means it's just divided into three values, means yeah, only a three values. Okay, you got the process. Okay, means just explode function just divide our string into the array type of variable with any divider. We just use a space, this space, we use this space. If our string is like this, means if our string with comma separate, and I want to use explode function on this string, so I have to pass in first argument a comma. Okay, and what is the output now? The same output, nothing, but just here is, in the first line there is a change. In place of space there is a comma, and the second output is the same output. Okay, okay. One second, Khushi. After the explode, I'm explaining the implode. One second. Okay. In the implode function, implode also a predefined function. Implode is just a reverse of explode. Means explode. What does the explode do? Just divide the string with any divider. Any divider means we use comma here before we use the space. Okay. X implode function just concatenate the array variable into a string. Implode, what the implode does, just concatenate the array variable into the string, and explode just divide the string into array, just reverse. Both are the reverse of each other. Okay, let me show you how the implode works. Okay, it is kind of a boring topic, but it is very much used in the real time. That's why I have to just acknowledge the about the explode and implode. It is used very often. Okay, Khushi. Yeah, yeah. If you want to use the multiple line comment, you can use this. Means slash backslash with star, and open with this comment with this syntax and close your comment with this syntax. Okay. One second. We can use explode in this code also. Keep BR tag for property. Now, what is the value of our dollar $str? It is this is the three value array. One, three. In this array there is three values. Okay. Now, if I want to implode this array into again a same this, so I have to use implode function. How we use implode function? Let's see by an example. The $str1 is our array type of variable. Okay. So in implode function, first argument we have to pass the divider, or you can say which is the common in our array type of variable. Implode function is the totally reverse of explode function. What is the explode function do? Just divide our string into array type of variable. And what the implode function do? Just implode or concatenate the all the array type of variable into a string. Means this is our array type of variable. It just concatenate our array type variable into this string. Okay, let me show you on the browser. We have to just print our array type of variable. So output will be just one second. I just forgot. The same output. First one and the third one is the same output. Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you please repeat that? Hello. Sorry, your voice is not coming properly. Sorry, Khushi. Can you please once again repeat your question? Sorry. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Implode is a just reverse of explode. Means implode, just reverse, just the opposite of explode. What the explode does? Explode. takes a string type of variable or value. Take a string type of variable and convert it into a array. Means include take this and convert into this. Explode take this and convert into this variable. And but include what the include does, include take this and convert into this. Means yeah, include just take a array type of variable and convert it or concatenate the all the values of this is the values. These three are the value of this array. Okay, take the all the three values and concatenate with any symbol or any divider whatever we use, just concatenate it. Means we just take the same as before. Okay, you got the process. Okay, Khushi, let's stop today's session here. And just you try to reinstall your web server in with the admin account. Admin. Huh? If even you don't, if you even if you can't install, then we will resolve your problem tomorrow in the very first session. Okay. Okay, Kushi. Thank you for coming and have a nice day.